Every strong bond begins with the right foundation. The process begins with the arrival of carefully sourced raw materials. Let's take a closer look at how every bag of Gresbond is manufactured through controlled processes, advanced systems, and consistent quality. Before unloading, sand samples are collected and tested for particle size, moisture content, and impurities. Cement samples are also verified to meet defined strength and purity standards. Only quality-approved materials move forward. Once approved, sand is unloaded and stored systematically under controlled conditions. Cement and GGBS are transferred to dedicated silos through sealed pneumatic conveying systems. Using air vacuum technology, sand is fed into hoppers using loader-assisted systems. Automated conveyors then move the sand to high-efficiency sieving units, where impurities and oversized particles are removed to ensure uniform sand quality. The refined sand is transferred to silos, ready for precise batching. The manufacturing process is digitally controlled. Automated systems select the required adhesive recipe based on product specifications. Each raw material is weighed accurately through automated measurement systems. Polymers are added to improve bonding strength, flexibility. All ingredients are blended inside fully enclosed, high-capacity industrial mixers. During production, samples are collected and tested in the laboratory, including heat aging, water submersion, and pull-off strength tests. Only approved batches move ahead and printed with batch and date details for complete traceability. The adhesive is transferred to automated packing lines. Each bag is filled with system-calibrated accuracy. Bags are securely sealed, ensuring product integrity. Finished bags are stacked systematically and handled with precision. The bags are loaded onto trucks, ready for dispatch. They are dispatched across India. Every step follows a defined process built on control, consistency, and quality.
Gresbond Premium Tile Adhesive.
By Kajaria.